What we're about to do is perform proper procedures on how to replace a damaged pallet. First, we will approach the pallet flipper. We will unhook the safety latch for the gate. Then we will take the product into the flipper itself with the machine. We will then drive the product into the machine very carefully, looking on both sides for clearance. Making sure the product is all the way to the back of the flipper. So before you engage in anything, what you want to do is make sure you don't have a gap between the pallet and the flipper itself. So what we're going to do is shift the pallet over closer. Approach the pallet very carefully to ensure not to damage the product. Go in slowly. Stop. Raise your lift. Shift till it flush up against the flipper. Then you back out. This is your control panel. You have an emergency stop. 1, 2. Turn your motor off. To engage the system, you have a pump start, light curtain reset, unclamp, stand up, clamp, lay back. So the first thing we're going to do is to turn the power on. We press the 2 buttons at the same time. Once you get the 2 lights, then you can come do your layback where you want to turn the flipper up to lay it down. When it comes to a complete stop, you'll hit your power button. It turns the pump off. Then you will proceed over to the old pallet, pulling it out, placing it out of your way. Grab your replacing pallet. Place it in the machine. Push it, flush up against the flipper and the product. Then you'll proceed back to your control panel. Turning your power on. Standing your product and the flipper up. When it comes to a complete stop, you will turn your power off. And proceed over. There's a safety feature. Once you pass inside, we have 2 laser beams that will automatically shut off all the power. That way you can come back and ensure that there's no power on before removing your product. Drive up very carefully, not to damage the pallet or the product. Slowly. stop. You want to put your pallet up against the mast. Close your gate. This is the conclusion on how to properly remove and replace damaged pallets from product.